Very interesting. The seam is not in the middle. This seam. And the color for some reason is different. What the hell is this? It says Latex International here, so that's good. Not the best packing job. Wait. When I received the last one, it took a while to get to its correct shape. Probably like half an hour. So I would expect this one to also. Okay, we'll revisit this when it's expanded. Okay, so it's been about, I didn't check the time, but it's been about 40 minutes and it's mostly flat. You can still see some unevenness over there and over here. And I have to say, this was the worst packing job I've ever seen on a piece of foam. Like, as you can see, I have received a lot of different pieces of foam, and some were packed better than others, but this was the worst by far. If you remember, it was held together by just two straps, which is a very uneven way to put pressure. Ideally, well, this never happened to me, but ideally, let's say if you buy pure latex bliss mattress, I was told that it comes in a huge box and it's not compressed at all. It just comes straight in the shape that it's supposed to be in without compressing. If you buy a mattress from Brooklyn Bedding, then they vacuum seal it, but usually when foam is compressed, they make an effort to compress it more or less evenly, but this was the worst. It wasn't compressed at all. It was just tied together in two spots, which completely distorted the shape. And not a good way to pack. So this was ordered from Arizona Premium Mattress. Unfortunately, I don't think there's any good alternative to order it elsewhere. Anyway, so this color is obviously like beige. It's the same exact color as regular natural Talalay, which is very strange because I have another one that is green. I have another Talalay GL that is green. You can see my previous video about it, and actually I'm gonna put it on top of this and show you how they both look together. But just this seems very similar to the green one. In fact, I think this might actually have more memory. I don't think so. I mean, I have no idea. So it feels very similar to the green one, but this one has a paper sticker that says Latex International, and the other one didn't have any paper stickers, but it had like impressions here, which this one doesn't seem to have. Maybe on the other side we can see it. Anyway, so I'm gonna now put the green one on top of it. Right. So these are both actually Talalay GL, and you can clearly see that the color is completely different. I have no idea, but they both feel similar. In fact, this was also supposed to be Latex International. There's no real indication here or anything. I think this one is a little bit better made in terms of the seam being more even. The other one, the seam doesn't look so good. But otherwise, same.